Glenn Original was featured also in the Winter 2016 CardMakers magazine as well. Let's go ahead and take a look. We actually created this adorable Brentwood owl. It is our military-inspired card. We sent it off to them and they featured us on a full page, and you can see it was part of the Veterans Day salute. Here we go. So Land of the Free. So there it is. So you can see design was by Jessica Lynn Mold for Jessica Lynn Original Stamps. We talked about everything you need to be able to create this. And there is our cards right there on the pages. Now what I'm showing you is actually the display I have up on the wall. They sent me the cards back so that I could get them for future to store them. So you can see here they are actually in the pages of the magazine from Winter 2016. And again, this is our Brentwood Owl, military Brentwood Owl stamp set. We were extremely honored to be featured not only on the Veterans Day pages with our Brentwood Owl, but also to be featured in CardMakers magazine not once, but twice in the 2016 year.